Now select this, create a new layer and assign selected object. Just click here and click on this visibility V icon. This will hide. Now again turn on the grid, go to create polygon primitive, take a polygon pipe radius type 4, height type 30, subdivision axis type 26 and subdivision height 28. Now go to top view, mesh tool, insert edge loop, reset the tool, click multiple edge loop, use equal multiplier type 1, insert one edge loop here, another here, one here and another here. Now go to face mode, select this face and this face, this face and this face, this face and this face. Go to perspective view, select this face, deselect this, select this face, sorry, deselect this face, select this, select this and this, deselect that, shift select, press delete. Now go to edge mode, select this edge, just double click, shift plus double click, go to edit mesh, click bridge. Now again select this, double click, shift plus double click, edit mesh, click bridge, select this edge, right click, delete edge, object mode, go to top view, face mode, select this face and press delete. Again go to perspective view, select this edge, mesh, fill hole, select this, mesh, fill hole. Now select this, shift double click, right click, delete edge. Now select this face, shift double click, sorry, select this face, this and shift double click, this face, this and shift double click, sorry, Ctrl G to undo, select this face, shift double click, go to edit mesh, extrude, type 3, object mode, sorry, edge mode, select mesh tool, insert edge loop, reset the tool, Insert one edge loop here. Now select this edge, shift select this edge, scale it to make a straight, select this edge, sorry, that is not necessary, select this and this, scale. Now go to, sorry, again select this edge, shift select this and this, click extrude, move tool, press V and snap it to here. Go to side view, sorry, front view, move it just down, just like this. Now vertex mode, select this vertex and this vertex, click merge. Now now take a polygon cylinder, type radius 7, sorry 4, move it up, press F to focus or zoom in. Now go to face selection mode, sorry, object mode, cylinder subdivision axis type 44. Go to face selection mode, select the lower face, press delete. Now shift select this, go to mesh, combine. Go to edit, delete by type, delete history. Press D or insert key on your keyboard, press V and move it to snap it to this end. Press again D or insert key. This is minus Z axis, so go to mesh, mirror, reset the tool, select minus Z, untick this, select object, click mirror, again select this, edit, delete by type, delete history, and D or insert key and press V to snap it to this end, press D. This is minus X axis, go to mesh, mirror, select minus X axis, click mirror and see the result. Now go to edit, delete by type, delete history. Now create polygon primitives, take another polygon pipe radius type 7, height 30, and subdivision axis increase 26, type 28. Go to top view, lighting, two-sided lighting. Just position like this. Go to top view, delete half of the face, press delete. Now edge mode, select this edge, double click, go to mesh, fill hole, select this, mesh, fill hole, select this. Now select this face, shift select this face, click extrude and move just like this. Object mode, go to top view, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and scale just like this. Press F to focus or zoom in. Go to perspective view, side view, move it up. Select this vertex, move up. Shift select this, go to mesh, combine, edit, delete by type, delete history. Again go to side view, mesh tool, insert edge loop, reset the tool. Insert one edge loop here. Go to front view, turn on wireframe mode, insert one edge loop here. And another here. Go to face selection mode, select this face, shift double click, select this face, shift select this and double click, press delete. Now select this edge, shift double click this edge, select this edge, upper edge, shift double click, go to edit mesh, click bridge and see division add, type 2. Now go to object mode, select this edge and click extrude, press V to snap it to this edge. Sorry, move just like this. Vertex mode, select these two vertex, click merge, select these two vertex, click merge, do the same for the other end, select this edge, extrude, press V to snap it here. Merge, now select this edge, this edge, shift and double click this edge, shift and double click, this one here, shift this one, go to mesh, fill hole, now go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history, select this edge, shift select this, click extrude and move them just like here. Go to top view, vertex mode, select this vertex, move it just like here, turn on wireframe on shaded mode, this vertex, move just like here, object mode, go to perspective view, now select all, press Ctrl plus G to group it and move it here, channel box, unhide the other part and